everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and having a beautiful day. So welcome to another little vlog from my life. आज का दिन कुछ ज़्यादा फैंसी नहीं है, just a simple day with studies and a little rest and some reading and finally peaceful evening. I feel like not every day has to be extremely productive. Sometimes even completing small things is enough. Because at the end of the day, progress is progress, चाहे वो छोटी ही क्यों ना हो. So without wasting any more time, let's begin today's vlog. सबसे पहले आई स्टार्टेड माई डे विथ ए प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट एंड ऑनेस्टली प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट आर नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट गेटिंग ए परफेक्ट स्कोर. दे आर मोर अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग वेयर यू आर मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स एंड व्हाट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन. कभी कभी टेस्ट के बाद मार्क्स देखकर थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटेड होता है, बट आई थिंक दैट्स आल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ प्रिपरेशन बिकॉज एवरी रॉन्ग आंसर इज बेसिकली टेलिंग यू ओके, you need to revise this one more time. So instead of being scared of mistakes, I'm trying to learn from them and improve step by step. And after completing my test, I took a little break and then continued with my study routine. In the after, I started studying biology. Today I was reading structural organism in animals. This chapter has so many small concepts and details, so I was trying to read everything properly instead of just rushing through the pages. Sometimes biology feels like बस एक chapter और complete कर लेती हूँ, and then you realize there are still so many pages left. But slowly, one page at the time, one concept at the time, we keep going. And after studying biology, I decided to read something completely different. And this is the out of syllabus book, so I'm read it. I actually enjoy reading things outside my regular study material because it gives my mind a small break from the usual syllabus. And after that, I think my brain officially said, बस अब थोड़ा रेस्ट चाहिए. So I took a small afternoon nap. And honestly, a little rest is sometimes necessary. हम मशीन नहीं है, हम sometimes you just need to pause, breathe and then start again. Then come my favorite part of the day, evening, with my favorite chai. The weather was looking so beautiful today. There was something really peaceful about the sky, the हवा and the whole atmosphere. कभी कभी हम पूरा दिन बिजी रहते हैं स्टडीज और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में, and then suddenly evenly reminds you, slow down for a moment.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more content.